dat Deithor long son ki long long ke lapen Neli Labangso hoy Karbi long kata Neli ning
I am Isa Sharma. I am from English department.
Namaskar. My name is department Sociology. My name is Miss Anamika Gwala. I am from Geography department.
Kardom Karbi Anglong Neli men lake harsing rong par laban ke Neli pini la Neli pinang tom theklong lo Labangso College along si explore dam ji laban ke Labangso College phuthak ke pachini am fansi nang tom phan Labangso video nang wan pilo laban ke Labangso video long nang tom ke chemeng jut nang lang don tha ladak Harlongbi Velongbi College Deithor long hadi Labangso College non happen page thank pic lasi Labangso College phuthak Neli kachini dam ji fansi nang tom phan Labangso video nang wan pilo laban ke nang lang don dik tha Neli non Labangso video long semang plang pon lapo principal room laban ke principal domain me chingki po Labangso College long PPC kasarli ponason long ma pu lamathe nang tom phanang share po lasi a video bang lapu ke cheng menjut nang lang no inke nang tom chini po todang denon gente principal long le home ridam nana nonamang ke kobelo college lo lage ladak assemble tartan lo Harlongbi Velongbi College 2008 post office Deithor pin number 782480 district Karbi Anglong Assam lasi nonmang gente principal a room le lulu na lang lipan masap so alam arju dam no na nonmang gente dam no na lage principal room lo Vanglong ji ma sir pini Neli Labangso College aputhak nang kahumri lage Labangso College la Harlongbi Velongbi College aputhak nang li pachini tha mane Labangso college aputhak
kardom Neli men William Singna Neli principal Harlongbi Velongbi College lo Neli nadak arpu ke deng don bangke tuning ban sini ke deng don la lapen Labangso a college la bangke 2008 aning kansi keceng lo hala bangso hot sa rotaning ti alang di deputy speaker council alang di si Labangso lo dapat pedengan ningkan ke toksina kepan dotang lo dapat Labangso College pen somaratum bang pen ngasari pen pinyar ni hemrit subuti long firap kadu ka bita nitum thengolong lo lake Labangso College na ke hot kasirap dun kita dengan tum, lepas itu men senior tum, alang tum cepat dulu lepas alang tum keheman amang kini penaposi kini Labangso nanti kok lo, masih, nah Harlongbi Velongbi College non Deithor long, son kita long kok long ke, lepas Neli Labangso hoy Karbi long kata Neli ning lo.
ante hala jurnali rong hang people principal chewai joy pen nang Neli Labangso college along comment tu pen tong chepahem pudon ya principal ba
Madam alang li no beto kami ning sanin tan patulong nang alang li 25 August tuningan ning kansi alang li kan anam tehang kon dan lo alang li dam di penapi ni 27 ani si in charge deng pon lo penapi governing body meeting October 29 ani EM Sir Richard Tobi division EM alang li hemalong itong governing body meeting ida bamu si ini fancy full fledged principal Japan punya fancy untuk penang invite kontrol.
Ante sir Neli nar jiglang Labangso college along kopipi a facility si long pon lo.
Nili tu ada man bat ke arts stream si ni tu than man bom ada higher secondary ni kan hini lapen degree aphan ni kan pido. Lapen ini tu ada staff dopet lapen ke thana tu cepat do wa lapen anang tu apan itu ini misalnya facility pilih tema masa mila ada kan atom quarter ke do CKO lapan hongpan ke banget atom tado stami anak atom thang leki long abisita kelas apan ke anak atom kan ini kefelong ateng pulang te anak atom kan pan mi atau sama atom lots lo karena kelas kita pen bahira kami ini atom dak geography lab tado computer lab do lapan library tadi itu do, lapen playground tadi itu etan do, lapen staff teman kami itu quarter kipi do, lapen semua tempat ku lang tosir songik abi lang running water kisah kami itu tap water lang nitum kisik pido matame nitum kikiring teman sini nitum chong pon lo langsung pada kami nak Karbi pan lapen nitum pan nonamat kuat hostel ke tangteta ihum dolan lapen additional building classroom latai tangtela lapen exam hall ta tangte solang lapen prosot kami nitum tangtela la kado kawe nang klan people apa kami ni principal ang hoy kami churo lo lapen tum kado kawe kitangte muka kami nang patang pithe patang ni kalau saya patang ni chunong ni pa yang cholo
oh lage kopilo office room lo Harlongbi Velongbi College ase arluan le damone wala pusar tum han eson sonia alam the arju polo ne oh sir nangli labangso kopilo Harlongbi Velongbi College along kerani klemdun ningkan colony
Neli Labangso ningkan dangan su keban dak su silo da Labangso kan da Labangso na joding olusta mi sel na theklong na tuta samardum lo chari ke bok tere na pen leguri na pen lamara na pen na pen soki hola pen kape din ta lo chari don bang na pen halloween la pu parku pahara side na pen na ni chit na chari din
okay non mangente la teachers common room Harlongbi Velongbi College ladakle damone non la miss tumhan labenge mianum han arjulo ne labangso college puthak hello miss
Hello, Harsing.
Please share your experience about this college.
Thank you, Harsing, for this opportunity. I am Isa Sharma. I am from English department. It has been a wonderful experience here at Harlongbi Velongbi College as I completed a decade of my service. Here, actually, each new day we have a new experience since every year we are introduced to new sets of students. Since then, we have been trying hard as a teaching staff. We really do hard work in our side, and we try to just motivate our students and impart a quality education. Though most of our students are from the remote part of this Karbi Anglong, comprising from this Dwarbagori and Nilip area, and still we really work hard. So I believe that in future also we will continue to serve this college and the students of these colleges, and we will create a very good educational environment and spread wisdom and peace. Thank you.
So miss, you are also working here. Then please share your something about the college.
Okay, first of all, I'll introduce myself. My name is Miss Anamika Gwala. I am from Geography Department, and I have been working since 2016. And a big experience I have here in Harlongbi Velongbi College. And the students also, till now, the majority is Karbi community only, and I am also from the nearby place only. My native is Karbi Anglong place only. So, what to tell about the students? Students are a little bit, some are average, some are a little bit, that means, what to say, I don't tell about that this is, they are bad students. So, everyone, as a cooperation, we take over, and till now, what to say, it's an average result only. So they have to work hard, and we too are working hard. You know that we are getting what not. The council only, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council only, they are how we are surviving. Everyone knows this one. So what to tell? So whatever it is, we'll keep aside, and the cooperation is needed. Children's cooperation is needed first of all, and the students, they need to study by their own. If they are from village areas or if they are from town areas, that is no problem. First of all, that is their duty is to study, concentrate, and to come classes regularly, and that's all. Okay, thank you.
Namaskar. মই সন্যমা হাজৰিকা, মোৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট ছ'চিয়লজি। মই এইখন কলেজত কাম কৰা আজি 17 বছৰ হ'ল।
মানে মই ফাউন্ডাৰ টিচাৰ হয় এখন কলেজৰ বৰ্তমান মোৰ অভিজ্ঞতাটো বহুতে ভাল ইয়াত কাম কৰি বহুত ভাল লাগে
Okay, non mangente dak Labangso College ang song sa dolo nili dak pen ang tumhan view na maklang po lain lo dak college bangke Harlongbi Velongbi College bangke teacher tum lapen ke than me big lain lo dak ang song pa na view bangke lain lo lapen bangke halawang ta quarter lo lapen ke la tami quarter lo lapen ke dak ni lagi ang song sa dolo yo ada penang tum teacher lo ha lagi lamen pick lapen ke la dak college bangke Deithor mini studio field plan chete bok pick an lo nan tum dak char pen me theklong ji nili non ma klang po ha lagi Deithor mini studio field lo dak penang tum teacher hai la dak teacher rim lapen ke dak pen nili nam klang dak po ha labangke studio field ha lagi Deithor studio field apu lapen ke bok pick lo Labangso College bangke studio ke di ha lagi la quarter nung malo asi nang tum nang dun jitame nang dun ikha nili tame Labangso class long si chari dun lo la ke HS adi first year tum ke do room lo thepik yo penango jang Labangso dim hadi lapen bangke exam hall tang talang latame tang ikpo lapen ke especially bangke dak bangke la kobilo ho canteen ado athema ke student tum la subject and a hotame hedi halapu bahara dam ben sipini chunam dam lang bangke dak bangke nam long le lot of la daksi nam nangji mola peni hedi daksi class ke hotame daksi long lab ji ke chormuan tame hedi asi Labangso College bangke dun meo nang tum sami nang dun tha laben ke nang paklang thu po nili non da mom lo yo an bangke la ke second year room lo la ke second year room lo lo yo samjet la ke second year room lo tolang dak bangke sam dob de mane tempi tem prang do la bangke jumeo okay la bangke faculty room lo degree tum hedi la bangke dak ke room number 1 an bangke Labangso room bangke first semester room lo la ke second semester and bangke third semester labangke 5 and 6 semester room number 3 ang sorry tame Labangso College long hindi ajo compound me lang me pick nang tum arni yong hele so sira me dak college nang don te exam jaji athimage ani sir mane ko sonlo thengpi theng prang abin tame dok pick nang tum arni le so tame Labangso College long mangke exam jaji yo lang me pick labangke dak lo mo compound let me pick la bangke laboratory computer room lo la bangke computer room lo an bangke nama klang tu la bangke library room lo de nili nama klang ban po yo dalom agumpan bangke la no la me pick yo malir sing an pin da bangke student tum halage student tum lo laban bangke staff principal dak dolap lo halage dake gari kasano staff tum lo laban ke lage principal inkala pun bangke staff ason log lai ampar bangke lage student tum lo halabange la student tum cycle laban ke bike kachibi adim hedi laban bangke library room lo